Hi, hello. Hello to viewers. Hi. Sorry guys, this I'll be back on live today because I am busy with other, you know, as a single mom, I need to find other ways. Hello 13 viewers. Hello. Hi everyone. Hi to my 90 viewer. I know some of you are busy.